Kia ora tātou katoa, tēnei o te rarawa, ngā puhi, ngā te parau, ngā te tahinga, e mihi kauana kia koutou. I'm Marama Davidson. I am the Minister for the Prevention of Family Violence and Sexual Violence, and I'm at Matatini enjoying the magnificence of Te Ao Māori and our people. And I've come to say hello to the team at E Tū Whānau. I've had the privilege of seeing E Tū Whānau on the ground, and I know how important our Te Ao Māori, tikanga, mātauranga Māori, our whakapapa is the solution to our healing, to preventing violence, to living safe, loving lives, which is what our tupuna have left for us as a tool. And so I'm looking at these resources here, these new resources, and loving the mahi that our whānau are doing on the ground, organisations and programs like E Tū Whānau, community-led, whānau-led. That is the way that we interrupt intergenerational violence with intergenerational aroha. Kia ora.